Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to see other viewers on your Facebook story. So the new update of Facebook typically gives us the ability to see who those other viewers are. So you can just head over and add your own story on your Facebook account, and once someone views it, you can click on it and you can click onto this eye icon right here. You can see here the people or friends that have actually viewed your story. And under this part, you can see the other section. You can click on those and you can actually see if they actually viewed your story. So in that way, you know that they're actually stalking you. And this is typically true if your story is on public and available to non-friend viewers, which actually gives them the power to view your story over and over again for the first 24 hours that you have posted it. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.